what do you think as a perspective of a judge and also a perspective of a parent? What do you think that this event or this exhibition is like nurturing a child's talent or in that way? No, sir.
It's actually encouragement to encourage the students to do some innovations.
As a parent, I'd like to say that we should always encourage our child to do something innovative, because science is such a thing that one has to try, one has to solve the problem, and that too what has been used in our day-to-day life.
You are actually doing better here than many schools in Finland. Don't tell this to anyone. You are learning to present what you know and what you can do. And that is also one part of this, which is important.
This is a wider platform. So it will give her more insight, more ideas into the various other things that people have done. I'm also thinking that, okay, next time I think I can use this also.
Really, this is a very good event. The students are doing well. They have presented very nicely. Their explanation presentation is very good. I congratulate all the students, participants, that they have presented their things.
Program to খুব ভাল হৈছে আৰু পিছৰ যিখিনি ষ্টুডেন্ট আছে সেইখিনিক আগবঢ়াই লৈ যাব বুলি মই আশাবাদী তাৰমানে।
Seeing so many inspiring and creative projects of our students of NPS International School, Kavya was too inspired that he ran back to the ATL room to make a creative project of his own. So now I'm here in front of a model that is made by the students of grade 5. Come, let's see what they have made.
This is the model of the layers of the atmosphere. Here is the troposphere, here is the stratosphere, here is the mesosphere, here is the thermosphere, and here is the exosphere. This is a neuron. It is the basic unit of the nervous system. There are two types of neuron, myelinated neuron and non-myelinated neuron.
Today we are going to represent GeoWorld. Geometry is a branch of mathematics that deals with shape, size and properties of a figure. It helps us understand the points, lines, angles, surface and solids.
This is honey, this is glycerin, this is dishwash, and this is water with some food color. And as we all know, oil floats on top of water, so this is oil. We can also see like different objects inside of this column. But like if you ask me that why is there a fruit like it's not sinking into the glycerin, it's because this fruit has lesser density than the glycerin itself, but like more density than the dish soap.
Ramanujam has maybe given some fearful formulas which you have to learn, which the students have to gruesomely learn. But these puzzles are what makes maths fun. If we just stop seeing maths in a fearful light and we see the ways it can be made fun, then maybe students will not have a phobia of maths.